Hi guys, with another video. This is the dishwasher, not the dishwasher, washing machines drainer, like this. This is the old pipe which had a problem. As you see, I cut it and changed the pipes. This is the old one. What happened? This was right there. I cut this one from here, right here, as you see, and leak was coming from the underneath. The other pipe was rusted, and there was a crack here, right here. I cut it off, and was leaking the water. So I cut it. This old pipes, these two, and yeah. See, this is the washing machine room. That's, as you see there, I put this pipe, which is called ABS pipe, right here. What I did, look, as you see, this was the problem. I put this together right there, this pipe, and elbow pipe goes a little bit up, and as you see, all the way goes up. This is the main thing. This is the rusty one. See, this was the leaking. I put this piece, then this pipe, and on top of this metal pipe, as you see, connecting with the ABS pipe, plastic one. As you see, it looks good. It's not gonna leak anymore. I just want to give the information that if you have the same problem, you have an old metal pipe like mine, this is the rusty one. The other top one is not that rusty, but it's, as you see, this is the way you can do it if you have the same problem as mine. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye bye.